Freelancing is described as being self-employed and working for other companies or individuals on particular projects. It is the employment model of choice in creative industries including information technology, writing, design, and editing. Freelancing allows you to determine your working pattern and time, but it also brings challenges. The Indian freelancing market has shown remarkable growth and currently ranks globally as the second fastest growing freelancing market. The startup culture in India and the global pandemic are the reason behind this growth. Today, there are over 15 million freelancers in India across different services. From winning work to managing clients, these challenges in freelancing may be new to you if you have yet to work for yourself. So, to help you overcome all these challenges and become a more successful freelancer, Simplilearn has come up with this amazing video on top 5 freelancing tips for beginners, which will help you become a more efficient freelancer whether you are new to freelancing or more experienced. Before we move on, please subscribe to our Simplilearn YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get updates on interesting and amazing videos like this. Without further delay, let's go through the top 5 freelancing tips for beginners. The first one is identify areas where you can specialize. You may believe that you can write on any topic and your design is sufficient to meet any challenges. But your potential clients want an expert. You need to stand out from the crowd, so identify areas where you can specialize and where your knowledge will add value for your clients. Develop an appropriate portfolio around that area to showcase your skills to potential clients. Take up online courses on your desired domain and upskill yourself to the professional level. You can check out the free online certification courses on the SkillUp platform related to various sectors like digital marketing, content writing, data science, cybersecurity, and other trending technologies. Check out the link below in the description and upskill yourself. The second one is spread your net wide to find clients. You may already have plenty of contacts in your freelancing area because you have been working in that business for some time. If not, you need to work to find potential clients and it is worth spreading your net wide. Set up your website or blog to showcase your expertise, set up or update your LinkedIn profiles, etc. The third one is set your price and stick to it. Your hourly rate needs to be sufficient to meet your requirements. It is not good if you cannot earn enough in your chosen freelance field to pay your bills. Therefore, start by identifying the rate you need or want to earn. Once you have decided on your hourly rate, stick to it as much as possible and do not bid for work that is below your ideal rate. The fourth one is set expectations clearly for every project and keep communicating. You may or may not want a formal contract for every project you undertake. It is, however, a good idea to set out clearly and simply what you desire to do, what you can deliver, and when and how you will work, including your working hours, invoicing, and payment terms. It would help if you were careful not to overpromise. Be sure you can meet any deadlines you agree with. And the last one is be prepared to turn down work. When you first start freelancing, the idea of turning down work may appear offensive. However, it's better to turn down work than fail to deliver it or deliver something not to be required benchmark. You should always turn down work if you are not confident about meeting the required deadline, you do not think you can do it, the price is too low, etc. With this, we have reached the end of this session. Are you thinking of upgrading your skills? You can take a free online certification course on your desired technology. Visit the SkillUp platform using the link below in the description and upskill yourself. Today, we have learned the top 5 tips that help you in freelancing. Please like this video and share it with your friends. For more such videos, you can visit our Simplilearn YouTube channel. For any queries regarding this topic, mention them in the comment box. Thank you.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.